Ayan. For those interested here, oh, mga madam, look at that. So pretty bag ng Kiss and Dior. And this is already in AB ka na. Yan. And let me show you the details, mga madam. Exterior part still clean. Look, ayan, maganda. Edge, no open pipe. At the back of the bag, look at that. So clean, wala siyang flows. And the side part still okay. The handle, no cracks. Yes, handle is no cracks. And yeah, inside part is with dust bag, and may memo siya. Ayan. Inside is clean, no smell, and with ano siya. Ayan. Meron siyang data code sa ilalim, embossed. And